Are you trying to quit masturbation again and again but keep failing? You know it's not good for you, yet you give in to this addiction. Just like smoking, drinking, or junk food, masturbation can also become addictive. But this isn't just about quitting masturbation. It's about taking your life back. Why does this addiction happen? Every time you do something pleasurable, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good hormone. Masturbation releases dopamine just like real sex. But your brain doesn't care if it's right or wrong. It just wants more dopamine. That's how addiction forms. Why should you quit? Physically, excessive masturbation lowers testosterone, reduces energy, confidence, masculinity, and may even cause erectile dysfunction or fertility issues. Emotionally, it creates guilt, shame, and loss of self-control. Confidence drops, relationships suffer, and even marriage won't fix it because the addiction continues. So how do you break free? Accept that this is a problem. Identify and remove triggers. Plan your response when urges come. Replace cheap dopamine with real dopamine. Gym, meditation, business, family, music. Build accountability. And what happens after quitting? Within a week, you'll feel higher self-respect, confidence, better focus, and stronger relationships. This fight isn't just about quitting masturbation. It's about becoming disciplined, stronger, and successful. Remember, the problem isn't you, it's the addiction. Once you break free, you'll discover the real you again. Start today. I'm giving you a challenge for 21 days. Make sure to do follow and subscribe to stay connected.